Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2S, and I'm gonna show you how to change or customize button hotkeys, or you could say button shortcuts, on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the menu button. After the menu appears on the screen, you can use the up button and down button to scroll through the menu. Now, let's scroll through the menu, select the system option, and then press the GPS button to enter. Now, scroll through the system menu and select the option called hotkeys. Once you select it, press the GPS button. And here we have a list of hotkeys we can basically customize or change. For example, let's say I want to use the hotkey back button and the light button together. So, two buttons right here. Select the hotkey, then press the GPS, and now we can scroll through the list of functions and we can assign the function for this shortcut for the hotkey. For example, let's say I want to use music control. So select music control, then press GPS, and now as you can see, the music control is assigned to the back and light buttons. So if you press and hold them together, it should open the music controls. And you can customize every hotkey right here on the list, so you can assign it to different functions. And that's how it works. Once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face, and then you can use them however you like. And that's how you change or customize the button hotkeys or shortcuts on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.